Hi! Today we're going to read Windy Day. This is another old book, but I'm sure we'll love it. Whoosh! Whoosh goes the wind! What a windy day, says Penny. On goes a coat. Must be chilly if it's windy out. On goes a hat. Off goes Penny. Is she going to go play outside, you think? Maybe. Off she goes to mail a letter. Look at that, she's going to mail a letter. Whoosh goes the wind. Off goes the letter. Uh-oh. Where'd that letter go? Up it goes. Down it goes. Off goes Penny. Off she goes to find the letter. Do you think she'll be able to find it? Did you see a letter? Asked Penny. Says Penny. Yes, says Dan. It went up there. Did you see a letter? Says Penny. Yes, says Fran. It went down there. Sounds like she's going up and down. Did you see a letter? Says Penny. Yes, says Ann. It went in there. Did you see a letter? Says Penny. Yes, says Stan. It went over there. It went up, it went down, it went in, it went over. Will Penny find the letter? Whoosh goes the letter. There goes the letter. It goes up, down, in, and over there. Did you see a letter? Says Penny. Yes, says Benny. It went in here. Whoosh goes the wind. Off go the letters. Off go Penny and Benny. Off they go again. Whoosh! What a windy day! Wow, that was a really windy day. All right, I will see you tomorrow for our last story for the week. See you later. Bye.